Video is for parents to show them how to use eAlpha, Alpha Publishing's educational LMS, and it will allow you to support your child during this distance learning. On the eAlpha website, eAlpha.info, there is a green button in the top right that says login. Click on this. It takes you to the login screen where your child will need to put in their username and their password, and then click the yellow login button. This will take you to the eAlpha dashboard. On the left, you have the different menu items. Under My Subjects, you'll see the subjects your child is learning, and for each subject, you would then see the different books. So for math, we have the student books, the practice book, and Alpha Clips, which are all our amazing videos. To open up the student books, you just click on the student book link, or you can right click and open the link in a new tab. When you open up the student books, you will see the grade your child is in. If you click on this grade to expand it, you will see the books available to them. Just click on the name of the book, and it will take you to the table of contents for that book with each chapter, and under each chapter, each lesson. To access a lesson, you just click on the title of the lesson, which is hyperlinked. The interactive pages are all laid out the same way, so it's very easy to use. In the top right, it tells you that there are 4 pages and that you are on page 1. You can move through the pages with these forward arrows, and at the bottom of the page, you have the same arrows and you have the page numbers if you wish to move through them using those. All the pages have interactive activities on them. So for example, this one asks you to color 3 cubes red and 2 cubes green. And if, for example, complete the second question, your child can use this green tick icon at the bottom of the page to check their answers. They click on this. There's a percentage bar that tells them what percentage of the questions on the page they've got right. And if they look at their questions, they can see anything that's got an outline in green or a green check is correct. Anything with an outline in red or a red cross is incorrect, wrong. If they wish to then correct their answers, they click this now unlock button, and they can change any of the answers that they got wrong. And again, at the bottom of the page, they can click the check button to see if their answer is now correct. At the bottom of the page, there is also a reset button, and if they click this, the whole page is emptied and gone back to its original state. If we look now in the same math subject at the practice book, again, you can access the practice book by just clicking on this link, or if you want to open it in a new tab, then right click and open link in new tab. Again, you'll see the grade your child is studying in. If you expand it by clicking on it, you'll see the practice book, and to open it up, you just click on the link. Just like with the student book, it takes you to the table of contents with the chapters and the lessons. Each lesson is a hyperlink. So you just click on the lesson you're interested in, your child is studying. And just like we saw with the student book, at the top, you have the same information about the pages. You have the same arrows for the navigation. And again, you have the same arrows and pages at the bottom of the page, just like in the student book. You have the same check button and the same reset button. And again, you'll see anything incorrect as red and anything correct as green. We look now at my subjects, Alpha Math and all the videos, and these are under Alpha clips. And again, you just click on the link or right click to open it in a new page. Again, you'll see the grade. Click on the name to open it up. And you'll see again, just like before, a table of contents. You find the chapter your child is studying at the moment and click on the link. And this will list then the lessons that have videos associated with them. And each of these titles are hyperlinks. So you click on the one you want to play for your child, and it will open up the video window. In the bottom left, you have a play button. Just play the video for your child. And you can play this as many times as you need for your child to understand the video. Underneath the My Subjects in the left-hand menu, you have assignments. This tells the child that they have at the moment, for example, 3 assignments that they have to work on that they haven't started yet. You click on the assignments menu. It takes you through to their received assignments. And here for each assignment, you can see the title of the assignment, the lesson that they have to work on, the state if the assignment has not been started by the student, or if it's ongoing, or if it's submitted. It tells you the teacher gave the child the work, start date for this assignment, very important, the date it's due, and it tells you the score. If the child wishes to work on the assignment, then they click on the details button next to the assignment, and it takes you through to the opening page for that assignment. This repeats some of the information about the teacher, the lesson, start date and due date. There's also a section for comments if the teacher has written some information to help the child complete the assignment. And then underneath that on the left, you have an orange Start Your Assignment button. If you click on this, or the child clicks on Start Your Assignment, it will open up the first page of that assignment. And again, it looks exactly like we saw in the student books and practice books, with the same moving arrows at the top and bottom, same checkbox, same reset box, so the child can work on the assignment at their own speed. And then at the top of the page on the left, there is a save and exit button. And once they've worked on the assignment, there's an action button in the right-hand side at the top. And if they click on that, they can choose to either continue to work on it, or they can submit and send result to your teacher. And if they click on this button, it gives them a little warning that they want to definitely submit their assignment to the teacher, because then the teacher will receive the assignment and the student can no longer work on the assignment until the teacher has finished marking it. If the student wants to submit the assignment, they click the Submit button, green button, and it's sent through to the teacher.